Did you guys know that ChatGPT can help you manifest your dream life? Well, if you did, thanks for letting us know. But if you're late to the party like me, let me give you the tea. Let's get into it. So you can do this with a few prompts. I'm going to give you one, but I am going to add a few other ones in the description that is a little more detailed, so you can try those out too. But when I did mine, it gave me such a detailed story, and it makes you visualize things that you probably wouldn't have thought about while visualizing your dream life. So let me give you this prompt. I'm gonna share my screen and you guys can follow along as I do this. So we go into ChatGPT. Now, if you don't have an account, you can do the free version. That's the one that I have. There is a paid version, but for this, you can use the free version because it's pretty much the same. We're gonna type in, I am manifesting my dream life. I want to feel my most healthy mentally, physically, and spiritually. I want to be financially free and fulfilled with my career. Living dream home that has tons of space for my family. Now we're gonna ask it to, can you please tell me a story of a day in my dream life? Now you want it to be in first person. Please make a story in first person tense. You want to do it like that because you want it to feel like you're telling yourself the story. That makes it so much more believable. So we press enter and we just let it rock and it'll start writing. All right. As it's going, you can see the first sentence is what I was talking about, that you really don't think about these things to visualize. So it says, the sunlight gently streams through the curtains as I wake up naturally, no alarm needed. You see, like, I wouldn't have thought of to think of that. I stretch in my plush king-size bed, feeling fully rested and at peace. My dream home surrounds me with warmth and elegance, a blend of modern luxury and cozy family vibes. I glance over at my Cane Corso, snoozing peacefully on his oversized bed in the corner of the room. Now, it specifically said Cane Corso because I have done this before. So ChatGPT like kind of looks at all the other entries you have, and that's the specific dog I want. Downstairs, the kitchen is bustling with life. My kids are laughing and talking as I whip up a nutritious breakfast in my dream kitchen, complete with an island big enough for everyone to gather around. After breakfast, I sit in my serene home office, perfectly designed for inspiration and productivity. My content creation career is thriving. You see, these are things that I love, and I love the details. Emails flow in with new opportunities, and I feel fulfilled knowing I'm building a career that allows me to express my creativity and my passion. Now, if there's something that you want to tweak on this, you can ask ChatGPT to tweak it for you, like say maybe change the time of day that I get up or the career or something. You can ask it to change that. But if this looks great to you, the next thing you can do is, this is the life that you want to manifest and you want to align with that. What you would write is, can you please tell me what daily habits I need to perform to become this person? Because you'll want to align with it. So hit enter, and then it's going to give you all the habits that you need to have. So mornings, I say I wake up at 4:30 because I go to the gym. So it starts off at 4:30, quiet. Create quiet, focused time for yourself before the household wakes up. Gratitude practice, move your body. Then I do work and career habits, plan my day, use a planner to set clear goals for work, family, and personal priorities. So you can go on, again, if there's something that you want to tweak, you can tweak that. It says, by consistently practicing these habits, you'll step into the version of yourself who naturally attracts and creates the dream life you desire. Focus on progress, not perfection, and trust the process. Like, it even gives you something to be like enthused with after. Like, this is great. I love this. So I wanted to take a step further because, like how it says, focus on the progress, not perfection. I wanted to ask it to tell me things that I can do when my day doesn't go as planned. So I did write that in there. I said, can you please write me another schedule when I have something happen that throws off my schedule, mindset, and mood? How can I realign myself? I hit enter. And voila, here's suggestions. Pause, take deep breaths. Simplified gratitude practice. List 3 things you're grateful for. even if they're small. And it just gives you a bunch of stuff. Reconnect with your why, let go of perfection. Remind yourself, I don't need to have it figured out today. Tomorrow is a fresh start. I love that. These are things that you can just always go back and align yourself with. Look, here's another one. The key is to simplify, prioritize self-compassion, and reconnect with your vision. So always come back to your why, always come back to that vision, and just realign. It's okay to feel like, a lot stress. It happens to all of us with kids, with spouses, with just everything going on in life. But it's okay. Give yourself grace. So like I said in the beginning, this was just a simple prompt that I've used, and it does give me like a lot of detail. But there are some other ones that I have found, and I am going to put them in the description so you guys can try them out too. When you guys do yours, please leave in the comments how it made you feel, and if anything has already manifested, and how you're working towards it. Because you're not just going to put the manifestation out there and just sit and wait. You have to put in work. But remember, like ChatGPT said, focus on the progress, not perfection, and enjoy the process. I need you guys to hit that subscribe button so you can get more of me, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, my loves.